Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that has changed how people communicate, build careers, and earn income: social media content creation. When most people hear the term content creator, they imagine influencers with millions of followers, viral videos, and luxury lifestyles. But the truth is very different. You don't need millions of followers to succeed. What you really need is value, consistency, and a clear message. Social media is no longer just for entertainment. It has become a powerful business tool and a real source of income for everyday people. What is social media content creation? Social media content creation is the process of creating digital content, such as videos, photos, or posts, to educate, entertain, or inspire people online. Content can include short-form videos, tutorials and how-to content, reviews and recommendations, motivational messages, educational tips, personal stories. With just a smartphone and internet access, anyone can start creating content. You don't need expensive equipment or professional editing skills. What matters most is being authentic and helpful. You don't need millions of followers. One of the biggest myths about social media is that success depends on having a huge following. In reality, many creators earn income with small but loyal audiences. Why? Because engagement matters more than follower count. If people trust you, relate to you, and value your content, your audience becomes powerful, no matter the size. Brands and platforms care more about connection than popularity. Platforms that pay content creators. Several major social media platforms actively pay creators in the United States. These include YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels. These platforms reward creators for producing content that keeps users watching, engaging, and coming back. You don't have to be on every platform. Starting with one and growing from there is often the best approach. Ways to earn money through content creation. There are three main ways content creators make money. Ad revenue. Platforms pay creators when ads are shown on their content. The more views and watch time you get, the more you can earn. Brand deals. Brands pay creators to promote their products or services. Even creators with smaller audiences can land brand deals if their niche matches the brand's target audience. Affiliate marketing creators earn commissions by recommending products or services using affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you get paid. How much can you earn? Content creation income varies, but many creators earn anywhere from $100 to $10,000 plus per month. Some start small and grow steadily over time as their content improves and their audience expands. The important thing to remember is that content creation is scalable. One video can continue earning long after it's posted. Pro tip: pick one niche and stay consistent. One of the most important strategies for success is choosing one niche and sticking to it. Your niche could be money, fitness, tech, beauty, motivation. When you focus on one niche, people know what to expect from you, and social media platforms know who to show your content to. Consistency builds trust, and trust leads to growth and income. Conclusion. In conclusion, social media content creation is a powerful opportunity for anyone willing to start. You don't need millions of followers, just a clear message, a chosen niche, and the discipline to stay consistent. If you can create value for others, social media can create opportunities for you. Thank you.